What's up guys, my name is Madeline and I run social media here at Youth to the People. Today you are in my bathroom so I can take you through my morning routine and talk to you about how I use our new Yerba Mate Resurfacing Energy Facial. So this is our new exfoliating, brightening, and resurfacing treatment. I know if I've worn a lot of makeup recently or if I put a lot of sunscreen on my face, I can sometimes wake up with dull, drab looking skin, and Yerba Mate really helps bring that brightness back to my skin, especially if I'm gonna go back out into the world that day. When you open the box, you get a little reminder here, everything is energy. We're all connected, we need it in our lives, and now you're gonna bring it to your skin. Yerba Mate. It's in the name, but you might not have heard of it. It's a tea that comes from South America that's been traditionally grown there for centuries. It has more caffeine than coffee, more than green tea, more than anything you're used to drinking or putting on your face, and we're harnessing the power of Yerba Mate to really energize your skin. So when you touch the product, you're gonna notice the texture of our two physical exfoliants, bamboo and diatomaceous earth, right away. They're both microfine exfoliants that will help polish and sweep away old dead skin cells that the enzymes are gonna help break up on your skin. What makes this so unique is that it actually combines two common exfoliants, chemical exfoliants and physical exfoliants, into one product. So you're getting the benefit of the enzymes, papain and bromelain from pineapple and papaya. Those are helping to break down those old dead skin cells, and then the physical exfoliants are gonna help sweep those old skin cells away and reveal energized, beautiful skin underneath. I personally really love the effects of physical exfoliation on my skin. I think that the polishing effect really helps brighten my skin, make it really smooth, and I just love getting rid of any rough texture so that makeup goes on without any bumps or creases. In the past, I've seen really great benefits from microdermabrasion treatments, which I usually have to go to a dermatologist or an esthetician. The reason that I really love the energy facial is that I can get similar results, but at home in my bathroom and in just 2 minutes with no downtime. Now I'm gonna walk you guys through how I like to use the Yerba Mate Resurfacing Energy Facial, and I'm gonna start by cleansing my skin. After cleansing, I'm going to apply the Energy Facial on damp skin. What you want to do is sweep the product over your skin and give it a minute or two to let the enzymes go to work. After letting the product sit, you can begin massaging with wet hands. You don't need to use a lot of pressure because the enzymes have done a lot of the work for you. So just gentle pressure with your fingers, sweeping over your skin in a circular motion. If you're sensitive, now is a great time to add a little bit of water to help dilute the exfoliation. Make sure to give special attention to any rough patches or areas that you really want to smooth out. If you do have an active blemish, try to avoid that area so that you don't further irritate it, and you can avoid your eye area as well. After massaging in, you're gonna go ahead and wash off and pat your skin dry. Immediately after using, and my skin feels so smooth already. I can see that it's more energized and I'm ready for the rest of my routine. I'm gonna follow that up with a little bit of damp mist. This will help calm any redness that might have come up during exfoliation, which is totally normal. It's just your skin's way of responding to some of the active ingredients, and as long as that redness fades within a few minutes, you're cool. Afterwards, I'm gonna add some Adaptogen Deep Moisture Cream to seal in the hydration and protect my skin from any environmental stressors. So that's my routine. I have dry skin, it's not sensitive. I like to exfoliate once a week. If you have oily or combo skin, you can try exfoliating 1 to 2 times a week. If you know your skin well and it's tough, you can try 2 to 3 times a week, but most of all, just pay attention to how your skin reacts, especially if you're using other exfoliating products. Thanks for watching, you guys. I can't wait for you to try this product. Just like everything else we make, it's 100% vegan, cruelty-free, and amazing.